Hey everybody, if you watch my channel, you know about 2 weeks ago I picked a bunch of pears off of my tree, my red Bartlett pear tree, and I brought them in and put them in a paper bag in a dark, cool place to fully ripen for 2 weeks. And here we are 2 weeks later. They are nice and perfectly ripened. They're soft, and when I cut one open, how juicy it is, you'll see this is exactly what you want for the pear to turn out to be. I get so many pears off my one tree that I end up canning several of them and eating some of them too. But I have so many, we just can't eat them all before they rot. Today I'm going to take this batch, peel and core them and slice them, and turn them into pear butter. You might also know it as pear sauce. It's kind of like applesauce. And I found a really easy recipe that you make in the slow cooker. You can cut fruit many different ways. This is the way I've learned from my grandmother, and I know some of you probably are cringing, but I go very slow and I have never cut myself. If you are peeling quite a few pears, you might want to fill a bowl with water and add some citric acid to it to keep them from browning while you are continuing to peel. You can also use lemon juice. That's what I did. Now, if you're wondering what I do with the peels and the cores, I'm going to show you. As you know, I have a garden and I have a compost bin, and that's exactly where they go. And I'll tell you, this happens with any kind of peels, like potato peels or fruit peels, not citrus, but other fruit, that this will bring the bugs that you need to help you compost all of this. So I'm just going to rotate the bin and let it go. It's starting to rain. This is the beautiful monsoon rains. And I can feel the temperature getting lower, which is another benefit of monsoon season. So now here's all the pears that I peeled and cored and cut into 1-inch slices, about 1-inch slices, in the crock pot. And I've added a little bag that includes cinnamon sticks and cloves to add some additional spice to it. I ended up being able to can 6 jars. 5 of them are pints, and the 6th one is probably a pint and a half. I hope this additional video has been helpful in showing you the full process of ripening pears, from growing them on the tree to putting them in a bag, and gives you an ideas of what to do with your pears if you have a load like I do and just can't eat them all. Leave me a comment and let me know what you have done with your fruit that you've grown. Thanks for watching and have a great day.